Hey YouTubers, I'm Jonah. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the professionals raised concrete by slab jacking. So here we are walking towards my backyard. And notice to the left hand side is my chalk paint. This is the area where the walkway has sunk. Notice again the white chalk paint to the left, the area where the cement has to be raised. And right here you can tell a big difference. That's a good 2-inch drop. And to my right is my stamped concrete, which is also dropped down. And again, my stamped concrete beside my pool walkway has also dropped. So I called the professionals, Dry-Rite Home Solutions, and Brody and Chuck was nice enough to show me the process. And just to let you know, I'm not being paid to promote this. This is just my observation and opinion. So in step 1, Brody mixes a combination of cement and dirt and sand. And the right amount of mix of water. And voila, the perfect mixture. So this is our slab jacker, which holds all the cement mix. And is controlled through this little hand controller. And pushed out through this high pressured hose. In step 2, Chad drills holes through the cement in strategic locations using 1 3/8 drill bit. In step 3, the cement mix is injected into the designated holes. And the pressure of the mix is precision controlled. Then we move on to the stamped concrete, drilling the holes and injecting the cement mix. Little by little, notice the concrete start to raise. Then going back again to the walkway. Then doing the stamped concrete beside the pool. Notice the strategically placed holes. then injecting the cement mix. Now they install a backer rod in each holes. Then they power wash the area. Step 4 is filling in the holes and doing their finishing touch. And attention to details on the stamped concrete. They did a great job and very happy with it. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always get my latest video.